Again on the full. It doesn't connect it well this time. So after 18, it's 146 for 3.
Single finished over 146 for 3. 18 overs up in the first innings of the finals. Last overs coming up for Chennai Rhinos. 146 is the score. Vikrant batting on 19.
Sunil Shetty there.
The captain of the Mumbai Heroes, Sunil Shetty.
In the semi-finals, he's been greeted by the fans with a big roar when he's come up on the big screen here in the stadium. He did so well, he will be disappointed. He loves this cricket, talks cricket with a lot of passion and plays quite good. He was really handy with the ball. Yesterday he was a touch expensive, but mind you, he bowls really good leg spin. Vikrant, in the meantime, is playing some fancy shots. He doesn't have to do that. He can connect the ball with a straighter play.
Second last over for Chennai Rhinos.
Some runs.
146 runs on board. Vikrant
pick that squarely gap. It's just a cramp. All set, the fielder is ready. It's all set for action again.
Go straight. There's a fielder, he'll only get a single. So the last maybe couple of overs has been quite good for Bulldozers. They haven't given away any easy runs. Just a couple of boundaries in the last 2-3 overs. It's not been so bad. That is why they've been able to pull back the scoring rate of the Rhinos to some extent. Loud appeal, should be very close. Trying to play across the line, hit him straight and on his pads. Umpire not very happy with that kind of an appeal.
Two sounds there. Inside edge onto the pad. That's why you see the umpire not signalling to the leg by. Once there was an inside edge. Again, there is a fielder down. Celebrity Cricket League has been brought to you live. This man in your picture, Vishnu, one of the directors of this cricket league, brainchild behind this super success of Celebrity Cricket League.
Man on screen right now, Mr. Vishnu
way back here into the 2012 edition. Been a super success.
One ball at a time, one ball at a time.
This is the managing director, Vishnu. It's been a successful campaign for him. Founder and managing director of CCL. This is season 2. They added 2 more sides this season. In there. Falls short of the fielder. They will get a single only. Good over so far from Abhimanyu.
It's been a terrific story for CCL.
150 runs on board for Chennai Rhinos.
See plenty of wherever we go, whether it's Kochi, whether it's Chennai, whether it's Visakhapatnam, and here in Hyderabad, the crowds have come in big numbers. After 19, one more over left, it's 150 for 3.
150 for 3 after 19 overs. Last over coming up. Parlay CCL brought to us by Parlay 2020 Cookies.
Founder and the managing director of CCL. It would be great if you can just say hi to all of us, to the camera and to the viewers.
In the innings of
Come on,
Chennai
Vishnu,
Rhinos.
you can do that. That's a thumbs up. Well done. You've done great work. And you deserve lots of credit for the way this tournament has panned out. 6 sides we had this season, and all these sides have played with so much of intensity, with so much of seriousness. Now this tournament has brought in so many people to the ground. They wanted to watch the film stars in action. They wanted them to play cricket, the most popular sport in this country, and they've enjoyed every moment of this. We started this tournament in Sharjah. There also we had a huge turnout, and the crowd has built up for the past 3 or 4 weekends. There's the yellow flags structuring more support here for the Rhinos. We are at Rajiv Gandhi Stadium in Hyderabad, coming live for this final match of this tournament. Last 3